All right, here we go. First drop, here we go. Whoa. Here comes the drop. Woo. Just like the spinning Ferris ride. Here we go, going backwards. There we go. Oh no. Got some pretty good G's on that. Alright, here we go, another drop. There we go. Oh, I'm getting so dizzy. Now it's kicking it up. Alright, give you a front row seat POV. There we go. See that drop? Alright, here we go. Slowing up. Speeding up. Here we go. Pretty high up in the ceiling. Here we go. And it's over. Nuclear Rush. Wow, it's pretty big TV. Even bigger go-karts. So it's about a 2-minute and 25-second ride. Total ride time. That's pretty fun.
Yeah, I can never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.